Welcome, my friends of this fine nation, the US of A, to the SFA-NNNBC US of A's Giles Gilbert Variety Show. I'm your host, Giles Gilbert. Now let me begin by explaining our show here. Here in a small town in the middle of nowhere, not far from everyone, the restless citizens thought it was time to expand our knowledge of the world by broadcasting to everybody else. I didn't exactly agree with that logic, but hey, I had nothing else to do. So we got together and began writing the segments, and it became apparent that the show, as we initially planned, could not be named the Giles Gilbert Variety Hour. Because here in Nakanoa, we can't find anything to talk about for more than 10 minutes. So, anyway, here's the first episode of Giles Gilbert Variety Show. Now, our first topic today will probably be about the word flabbergasted. Now, I was walking through the store today, and all of a sudden there was a fight in the cereal aisle. Now, one of the men said the word flabbergasted, yes, and I quote, he said, "I am flabbergasted." Now, flabbergasted, that is a weird word here. Flabbergasted. I don't know what to do with flabbergasted. I mean, half of it is like, oh my god, something's gonna go down. I am dead serious. But the other half of flabbergasted is I am a silly word. Now, quite honestly, if I'm arguing with somebody about something, and instead of expressing their anger through some normal avenue, they say, "I am flabbergasted," I am pretty sure they are not going to win this argument. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. First time I heard that word was when I was playing mini-golf with my brother and my mother. Now, I don't remember what my brother did, but my brother did something to make my mom angry. But instead of saying angry, instead of saying, "Oh my god, I can't believe you just did that," my mother said, and I quote, "I am flabbergasted." Man, I busted out laughing. I thought my mom was trying to say she had some really bad gas or something. Flabbergasted? I had no idea what it meant. So I was on the ground laughing, slapping the ground, just bawling it out. Ha 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 ha, so funny. And then we got in trouble because I kept locking the rest of the mini golfers. What an experience. I'm flabbergasted. You should look that up, maybe. I'm too lazy to tell you what the definition is. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted, flabbergasted, flabbergasted. Yeah, that's right, folks. Flabbergasted. A word that's half kick-ass and half absolutely silly. Well, now we're going to do our weather bit. We're going to cut over to Aaron, very short and very gay. He's going to give us the weather forecast here in Nakanoa. Aaron?
Hey, Giles. It's hot out here. Oh, and humid. God, it's hot out here. Stay inside, boys. Stay inside.
Now, thank you, Alan. Very short and very gay. Now, moving on, let me introduce you to our social reporter, Polly Potty. Polly, take it away.
Polly's sick. Sick? What do you mean sick?
Alright, folks, well, this is Giles Gilbert here, concluding this first broadcast of the Giles Gilbert Variety Show. I'll tune in soon. Next time we will have Polly Potty. Hopefully, Abby, and... what's her name? Who? What? Enderstead. And Mrs. Enderstead. Thank you. Signing off. Giles Gilbert. Bye, y'all. God damn it, what the paddy wagon? You threw my broadcast off here. God damn it, let's get it right next time.